Hi guys, Rob Lester here from Lester Bathrooms. We are here in my lockup. Just a space on an old farm, spin you around, quite big, that we use to store stock and bits and bobs like that, mostly junk from the van to be honest. And the reason I'm in here, this corner is going to be the new studio, the new Lester Bathrooms headquarters. And what I'm going to do is build sort of, a corner of a bathroom. It could be anything. So I'm going to build some stud walls here and a false floor as well. And I'm going to use it as a sort of set really to do tutorials. We can show how to put baths in. We can show you how to do different tiling techniques and stuff like that. Show you how to put a tray in and cut around a shower tray with some tiles. And that's the idea really. We have it as a sort of set that we can, use to show different aspects of trades and stuff like that. So I think it'd be a really useful space. So that's the video today. I'm just going to put it on a little time lapse and just build this section here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, a little recap. I've got the sort of floor section done. I've got a couple of struts on the corner, one to catch the plasterboard coming this way, tack one on the corners, put one going that way. The top and side going on, I'll do exactly the same thing the other side, and then I'll just put some joists down through the middle, and then I can start sort of making a rough floor section there. So, just cobbling really together a standard sort of stud wall, but I want it to be light enough that I can move it around and easily dismantle it if needs be. So with the plasterboard, I'm just going to tack that in a few places, and then when I'm done with it, I'll take that off, put new stuff on for new tutorials. So yeah, going well. Let's carry on. Okay, okie dokie, we've got a bit of a framework knocked together. So I've got a full sheet of plasterboard and 2 sheets up. And by the time we do the floor, I think that's a decent size to be able to do some videos in, some tutorials. Certainly the floor will be a standard size of a normal bathroom, probably about, 1, 2, 3, 3.5 square meters. So that'd be plenty to work with. So I'll just get there. I'm really pleased with that. Only took about an hour to knock that up, less than that. And so we'll start doing the floor structure now, and then we'll put some plasterboard on. Let's go. Okay guys, we've got our base created. There we go. We're going to put some 18mm chipboard down here. Just want something that, I wouldn't build stud walls like this and a floor like this in a bathroom. It'll be a little bit more comprehensive than that. And I'm going to put just some trimmers through here to just stabilize it a bit more. But really the whole point of the exercise is something that I can demonstrate tiling on, and then when I'm finished I can strip things out, replace it, change the flooring for different situations, scenarios. So yeah, we get these trimmers on and then we'll start plasterboarding it. We're looking good, man. Now, a few of you might be thinking, mate, just get the chopper out to cut all this. I haven't actually got any power in here, any electrical sockets. I've only got the lights. So everything's got to be done by hand, which is, that's a good workout at least. Let's get plasterboarding. Right, that's the plasterboard done and screwed. Next thing, floor. There we go, all finished. Little dance studio. So, I can see I'm very excited. Right then, we're all done. This is my little play area now. We've got a nice set, a little studio here to be able to do, we could fit a bath in here. We could show you how to put a wall hung vanity unit. We could set up a worktop through here with a couple of sockets, show you how to do metro tiling for a kitchen. The possibilities are endless. So this is going to be, oh, I could put a couple of logos here, Leicester Bathrooms, like and subscribe here. Maybe some sponsors, you know, Grant Stone, maybe, Grant Stone, Top Stars, maybe, Top Stars, come on. So yeah, it's a great space to be able to show everybody some great tutorials, some great hints and tips, and some great content about tiling, bathroom fitting, all the things I love. So it's a little bit out of square here. This farm is about 200 or 300 years old. You can see the old farm wheels and stuff like that, but it's nice. It's got some character to it. So yeah, this is going to be great. I've got a good vibe. This is going to be a good space to show you guys what we can do. Just for anyone who's interested, it probably took me a couple of hours maybe to knock all this together. Probably a couple of £100, 250 pounds in materials. This is 900 by 1800, 12.5mm square edge plasterboard. The timber that I put on there was 3x2 CLS, which was 2.4 long. The ply that we've got on the floor is 18mm thick. That's a 600 by 1800 sheet. And this floor, I'll be able to show you a lot of different things. We could put a shower tray in this corner, show you how to cut around it, etc. I can show you how to put a cement board substrate on here, loads and loads and loads of stuff. So stay tuned for some more content from the channel. It's going to kick off. So we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. There we go. Cheers. Bye.